Hi besties! For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made some pig cutting boards. I think they look adorable, you guys. I'm really excited to show you guys the process. It was really easy. I had purchased a scroll saw, I think probably like, I don't even know, like a year, yeah, more than a year, because it was before I moved to my home that I purchased it, and I never used it, you guys. I've had it going back and forth from my shed to my home, and I think I was just intimidated and scared by it. But if you guys have one, take it out, you guys. It's super easy to make. Really happy that I actually used it to make the pig cutting boards. But now I have another idea, which I'll show you guys in future videos. I'm really excited to make more decor pieces, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started with this video. I started out by drawing the shape of the pig cutting board. Since I don't have a printer, I thought I was just gonna use my Cricut maker to make a stencil, but I didn't really like any of the shapes of the piggies that they had in the Cricut design space. So I ended up drawing my own, and I'm just gonna be tracing it onto my piece of wood that I have right here. I started off by cutting out the smallest piggy first. I just wanted to practice to see how it was gonna come out, and it looked so cute, you guys. I was really excited to cut out the rest, and at the end I decided to make one more cutting board, just a bigger size, so that's why I didn't show it when I was tracing them, but I did cut out 4 of them at the end. They're really easy to make. You just basically follow your outline, and at times I would speed up the machine when I was going towards like easy parts, like through the top of the pig where it didn't have many curves. But when I was doing like the mouth or like the bottom of the pig, I did slow it down just because I didn't want to mess it up, since I had never used a scroll saw before. But you guys, if you have one, try making anything. You guys will see how easy it is to use. I don't know why I was so scared to use the machine, but I think my cutting boards came out so nice, and it just makes me feel so proud that I actually made them and that they're not store-bought. And it just gave me so many more ideas of things that I can make with my scroll saw, so you guys should be seeing more videos to come of me making things with it. Look how adorable the little piggy looks. I'm so happy with the way it came out. Next, I'm going to sand down my cutouts. I had this piece of wood outside for the longest time, so it had been rained on, and one of the sides was really dirty. So next, I'm going to start off by taping off the center of the pig so I can actually stain it. So I decided on the 2 bigger cutouts to use the blue tape, and I actually found a thinner tape to use on the 2 smaller cutting boards. Using a sock. I'm scared. I want to start at the end. I don't know why it's looking so dark. My gosh. Did I shake it too much? Kind of just want to give it like a light pass right next to the tape. I don't remember this color being so dark. Weird. Here goes, you guys. gosh, it looks so cute. Let me show you. I love it. Wow, it looks so cute. Let's put that one here. And I tried doing it the darkest, like over here, and starting going towards the middle, so like that most of my stain is out here and I don't have a lot of bleed through. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be this dark. Oh my gosh, I think it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Look how cute this looks. Wow. I can't believe I made this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do the smaller ones. Where's my sock over here? Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute, the little baby pig. So cute. I want to use very little on this one. I'm so scared to mess this baby up. Okay. Of course, I have to get like the most on here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's that one. Oh, it looks so cute. Look how cute that looks. I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry for a little while and then I'll come back and do the back side. And I'm gonna see if I have a different stain because this looks so dark. I don't know if I don't know. What did I stain the last time? I think I stained my table and I don't know. It just looks too dark. For the backside, I decided to use the pre-stained wood conditioner since I couldn't find my other stain. I did remember what I stained with the lighter stain. It was actually when I redid my dresser and my nightstands in my room. So I'm actually missing that one. That's the one I would have liked to use on the back, but this made it look really nice as well. I really like the way it looks. I want to show you how cute the little cutting boards look. I think they look so cute. This is the little baby one. So cute. And this is the other one. So cute. I just love how they came out. I'm so happy. And here's the other one. I really like having them like darker on one side and lighter on the other, just so I can use them differently with my decor. And even if I wanted to, I could put like something with my Cricut. I just think it looks really cute just like that. I love the way it looks. It's so cute. Here's all of them together, and this is how I want to display them. just like this. One thing that I did notice, you guys, that I didn't really pay attention to when I was making them was that on these, the grain is going up and down on these two. And then on the bigger ones, the grain is going side to side. I don't know if that bothers you guys. I really didn't notice that. I was just trying to save my wood piece so I can use it for something else. But once I stained them, I noticed that some of them were, the grain is going up and down, and these bigger ones, it's going side to side. Not a big deal for me, but I don't know if that would bother you guys. But I don't know. I just think they look so cute. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a scroll saw, you guys can definitely do this. You guys, this was my first time using it. I was so scared to use it, but really happy that I made these. I just think they look so cute. I'm thinking of maybe drilling them as well, but I kind of just like the way they look right now. So I'm gonna leave it. Maybe sometime in the future I'll put like a hole through it so it can look a little bit more like a little pig. But I just think they look so cute. I had seen online, and these are so expensive. I'm not gonna use mine for food because I did stain them. I have seen that they sell something so you can actually use it as a cutting board with food, so it can be food safe, but I'm really never gonna use this. I have a lot of cutting boards that I use as decor, and I think I have maybe, I think it's just one actual cutting board that I use to cook. That's the one I purchased from Hobby Lobby, but everything else is just mainly for decor. I just think it came out really nice. I was kind of worried that the stain was gonna bleed through, but it didn't, because I just have the regular liquid stain, but I think there's like a gel stain that you can also use, but I think it looks really nice. It didn't have any bleed through on any of them. The one thing that I did do was sand the top because there was a little bit of stain like right here, and since I wanted to leave this the original wood with no stain conditioner or stain, I just kind of went over the top again a little bit just to take off the excess that was on the top and on the sides. But I just really wanted it to look like this, like the bare wood on the sides. I didn't do anything to them, but I did go back and fix the stain, well, remove the stain that was on the top and on the sides. I just think they look really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, besties.